Hey friends, Kendra here, MissKenK. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. First off, I really apologize for my stuffy voice, stuffy nose. I have a sore throat, so I'm really trying my best to sound as appropriate as possible. But I'm starting off with old hair, you guys. And honestly, this hair is probably a couple of weeks old, you guys. And I'm just brushing out the back of my hair. I had a shape up, so it may look a little uneven because it's growing out of that shape up that I had. And yeah, I'll post a picture and show you guys what it looked like. It was super cute. So the product that I'm going to be using is, of course, the Curl La La by Aunt Jackie's. And I love this product. And I'm also going to be applying some water to my hair. Definitely need that water to make my hair more pliable because it is dry, it is shrunken, and it is tangled. So I'm going to be sectioning off small, medium-sized section of hair, applying some water to my hair, and then I'm going to apply the product. Keep in mind, because I'm working on old hair, I already have product in my hair, so I don't need much. The water basically activated that product, so I really don't need much. I'm going to apply a 2-strand twist to my hair, and I'm going to definitely make sure that it's detangled. And I'm going to make sure I apply more of the product towards my ends. My ends, of course, seem to dry out a lot faster than the rest of my hair. So I'm going to apply that product on the ends just to make sure it's nice and moisturized. So I'm just going to complete these same steps on the remaining sections of my hair. Again, I'm going to section off a smaller, medium-sized section of hair. Now, I'm going for a chunky twist out, so I like to kind of do my twist small. That way I don't have to do any separating aside from unraveling the twist. So if I do it large or medium size, I would usually have to separate that a couple of times. But since, I'm doing them small, I only need to separate or unravel the twist, and that's enough for the separating since I'm going for the chunky look. So again, I am just applying a 2-strand twist, making sure my hair is nice and detangled, and applying extra product on my ends to ensure that my ends are nice and moisturized, as well as twirled to make sure we get a nice curl on the ends. So you guys just watch and see how I do this. So you guys, I allowed my hair to dry overnight. I just put my bonnet on, and as you can see, I just beat this face real good, honey, nice and beat. So we're gonna go ahead and unravel these twists, and I don't need to apply any oil to my hands because the Curl La La is very moisturizing. So the twists look really good. Like, I could actually wear them in a style like this. I just love how uniform they look, how juicy they look as well. So I'm just taking down my twist, and like I said, I only have to unravel one time, and that is it. No separating on this style because we want the chunky, very defined look. And now that I have all of my twists unraveled, I'm going to show you guys how I extend the length of my hair. And I've been doing that using clip-ins, you guys. And I've had these clip-ins for so long. They're from, I believe they're from a company called Better Length. And I believe they are kinky curly clip-ins, but I will try to find the information and post it down below for you. So what I did is I used the Curl La La and some water just to twist up the clip-ins. And now I'm just taking those out, and look how good it matches my hair, like to the T. So I'm just going to apply the clip-ins. I'm going to go section by section in my hair, and I don't apply many. The only reason why I would add clip-ins is 1, for a little bit more length, and 2, for more fullness, because again, I'm doing chunky. This is a chunky twist out, so I didn't separate as much as I normally do. So you guys know how I be separating. So I wanted more volume. So the clip-ins were able to give me that volume, that fullness that I wanted, while at the same time being able to keep the chunky twist, the very defined twist. So once I've added my clip-ins to the one side, now I'm going to separate the back. I'm going to try not to separate so much, but it is looking a bit flat because I did do some of the twists a little bit larger than I should have. But it came out fine, as you can see. And now I'm just taking my pick and raising at those roots, you guys. And bam, this is the final look, y'all. So, of course, I got to go to the barbershop and get my hair shaped up in the back. But otherwise, I think this style really came out really, really cute. And this is exactly how I wore it for the World Natural Hair Show. And I did get a lot of questions from you guys. So now you know. This is a dry, chunky twist style with a couple of clip-ins added. Let me know what you think about the style down below in the comment section. And check the description box for links to all of the Aunt Jackie's products. The Curl La La that I used, keep in mind that you can find them at Walmart. But if you don't know if your Walmart carries them, definitely check out Aunt Jackie's curlsandcoils.com and you can look at their store locator. It'll show you which Walmart in your area carries the Aunt Jackie's products. So yeah, you guys, like I said, let me know what you think about the style. I absolutely adore this style with or without the clip-ins. So very cute. And yeah, I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.